In humanity, water is not just a necessity, it is a symbol of resilience, of renewal, and of possibility. It quenches our thirst, sustains our crops, and fuels our industries, cleansing our bodies and providing a pathway for our life. We find prosperity, growth, and the promise of a better tomorrow. But water is not ours alone to claim. It belongs to the forests, the mountains, and the countless creatures that call this planet home. For nature, water is the very lifeblood of existence, sustaining ecosystem, nourishing flora and fauna, and sculpting landscape with the patient precision. It fills rivers and lakes, and nurturing the vibrant tapestry of biodiversity that blankets the earth. In recognizing the sacred bond between humanity and the natural world, we hold the power to enact change, to protect and preserve this precious resource for generations to come. Through innovation, conservation, and cooperation, we can ensure that water remains a source of life, not just for us, but for all living beings on this planet. So let us cherish water as the sacred gift that it is, a symbol of unity, resilience, and the enduring spirit of life. Let us honor its presence, respect its power, and strive to live in harmony with the rhythm of natural world. For in the dance of water, we find the true essence of our shared existence. A reminder that we are all connected, bound together by the shimmering threads of life's most precious resource.